Caesar cipher as I'm sharing a screen. Okay, so let us start our today's practical for uh, for identifying the Caesar cipher. So today we are going to learn about the Caesar cipher. Okay, is it visible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Acha, okay, so let us do a Caesar cipher program. Okay, so tomorrow we'll take and today we will take. एक minute, just a minute. Okay, so today we have a program. We have a Caesar cipher program as well. So हेलो. नहीं नहीं नहीं, रॉन्ग नंबर है, रॉन्ग नंबर, रॉन्ग नंबर है. नहीं 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 नहीं, अरे नहीं करना है. नहीं 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 नहीं. Okay, so okay, so today, so what we have a Caesar cipher technique. So Caesar cipher technique, as we all know that in a Caesar cipher technique, what we do, we shift a character, we make a substitution of particular character. Okay, એ જ વસ્તુ આપણે અહીંયા કરવાની છે. Okay, so the same thing that we are going to do over here for substitution method. So for a substitution method, as we have what we do. Okay, so as what we have a substitution method that we do, that is substitution method that we do, that is we jumble our uh, characters. So with respect to the this theory, the whatever we have seen. Okay, so what we do over here, we take a particular screen. Okay, we do a particular character like hello. Okay, so hello will be replaced by some other number of other numbers of other characters. So here if we are having we are doing hello, okay, will be replaced by k. Okay, so will be replaced by k if we take, if we give a any number of key, that is 3. For example, આપણે જે example માં આપણે જોયું છે, that is 3. Okay, so we'll be using such kind of technique whatever we have learned yesterday. So here into a C program, we are doing a C program. Okay, so into a C program, what we do, I'm using C. You can use any platform as well. Okay, to complete your practical. So here we are taking the character as the message as a character, and we are taking any random variable to execute our program. Then we are taking integer I for loop, and key to, that is key equal to key, which is we may mention any key like 4 5 6 3 as well. Okay, so here we are instructing a user to enter a plain text. Then we get a message like hello, and then we ask for key to enter to a user. So the key will be entered, and the scanf function, so scanf function will get a key for future use. So here the message will take the integer the for loop, for which will have I equal to 0. This starts from the 0, takes each and every character of a message like hello. Okay, and it will be taken from 0 to the number of string, that is I plus plus. For each message જેવી જેમ કે h છે, મેસેજમાં આપણે hello લખ્યું છે, તો hello will be used. Okay, h will be taken, will be stored in a ch, and it will ask, or it will check into an if condition, that whether it is greater than or less than, that is the value will be or must be into between small a to z. So it will convert into the ASCII values, that is 97 to onwards. So here it will ask to, it will take, if it is a small character, okay, so the small alphabet, okay, up lowercase actually. So it will take plus key and plus key, that is if we have a key equal to 3. Okay, so key equal to 3 will be taken character plus key, and if character is greater than z, we'll have to करके जो if it is the value of character, if it goes more than 26 characters, that is more than ASCII values, so it will have to suppress into, or will have to come between the a to z ASCII values. Okay, so we'll compress into the whatever the values જે છે એ values ને આપણે z ની value ને અને a ની જે actual value જે છે એને addition કરીને -1 કરો, so we'll have a ch value, that is character value, and that character value will be used as a message. Okay, so into the same fashion we'll have into a capital letters. If someone is using a capital letters, we can use it. Okay, so capital uppercase હોય તો uppercase માં be the same formula we are using. So uppercase ના system માં uppercase થશે, lowercase ના system માં lowercase, that is uppercase વાળી string હોય તો uppercase માં convert થશે, lowercase હશે તો lowercase માં convert થશે, and whatever the value there will be printed in the form of ciphertext. Now let us run this program. Okay, so let us have HELLO. Okay, now we are taking a value 3 as a key. Okay, so khur will be the my ciphertext. Okay, so your time starts now. ઓકે, તમને સમજાય છે? હેલો, હેલો.
हाँ सर।
હા, તો સંભળાય છે પ્રોગ્રામ?
हाँ समझाइए।
सर एक बार फिर से समझाओ ना।
એકચ્યુઅલી મારે કદાચ ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્ટિવિટીનો ઇશ્યુ છે, એટલે ઇન્ટરનેટ કનેક્શન
सर
કદાચ.
आज मेल भी नहीं मिला आपका
कौन सा?
लिंक का।
हेलो,
लिंक
कोई कोई नहीं મને मेल.
सर जो आज की लिंक थी ना उसका मेल भी नहीं मिला।
क्या बात करते हैं, मैंने मेल सबको भेजा है एक्चुअली.
नहीं
सर
आया है सर।
नहीं आया सर।
ओह,
सर वो
मेल
स्पैम में
सर.
चला गया है।
हाँ सर, स्पैम फोल्डर में.
सर स्पैम में मिल गया है।
શું થયું છે?
स्पैम में
स्पैम
चला गया
फोल्डर
है।
में मेल आया था सर आपका.
મેલ જ નથી આયા એમ? ઓકે, એનીવેઝ ધ પ્રોગ્રામ તમને સમજાવે ને? હેલો,
नहीं सर, अभी ज्वाइन हुए, मतलब बाद में लिंक मिली तो नहीं समझ आया।
अच्छा ऐसा है. ओके ओके फाइन. હેલો, let me explain it once again. ઓકે, હવે સંભળાય છે? હેલો.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, હવે સી okay, so let us start. That is this is a program of encryption. Okay, if this is a program of encryption, what we'll do, we substitute a character by character. Okay, જેમ કે હું hello program લઉં છું, for example અહીંયા હું, if I am taking it as an hello, so what I do, I need to take each and every character, and character by character it will convert from ciphertext to sorry, plain text to ciphertext. Okay, so here we can have the values. Let us see the program first. Okay, so here what we do, okay, so what we have, he hello. Okay, so we take a value of key is 3. So what is KHOOR? So KHOOR is my ciphertext value. Now what is this ciphertext value? We are converting each plain text plus key value, and we convert it into a ciphertext. So here શું થશે? Okay, so here what we'll have, we are taking a character that is our the string like hello. Okay, we are taking the value of the character is, okay, we have, okay, so here what do we have? We have 100 string value, the length, the character length of a string. Okay, we are again taking an character and along with the character as a variable, integer લઈએ છે, integer I, integer k, key means the value of key. Okay, we are asking user to input a string, we are again asking user to have a key. Okay, we are scanning it over the value of key. Now what we do, we are taking the each and every the for we are putting the message into the for loop for taking each and every character by character. Okay, if we are taking hello, okay, hello will be taken as an input, each character amongst the number of string. Okay, and we take one by one each and every character. Now the character what do we have, that is h, it will ask whether it is into a small case, okay, lower case. If it is a lower case, okay, then it will go for it will go for the character plus key. If it is greater than a character z, okay, okay, so what we'll have to use the character plus જે બી એને means ASCII code ની અંદર જે values લાવવાની હોય 97 થી લઈને 122 સુધીનું, so we'll have to convert that into a lower case. If and whatever, if it is a lower case, it will fetch the message I into character. Okay, the character માં આપણે જે બી character હશે message I માં મૂકી દઈશું, so message will be printed over here. Okay, so if we are taking hello, it will be converted plus 3, that is k. Okay, if it is an uppercase, if it is an uppercase, what we be able to do, we are checking again, we are making the plus key કર્યા પછી શું કરીશું આપણે એને greater than z, if it is a greater than z. Okay, so we'll have to put it into the uppercase range. Okay, range માં આયા પછી to put it into a range of uppercase, what we'll have to do, we'll have to use the ch where the value is this, and then we can, okay, then we'll do the message I equal to ch, which is printed into a screen as a ciphertext. Okay, so okay, so this is what my ciphertext as well. Okay, this is my ciphertext whatever it is. So yeah, here we have seen an example of hello. Okay, hello is my plain text, I am adding a value of 3 and I am getting a ciphertext as a khur. Okay, getting? In the same fashion we be able to do as a program of decryption. Okay, so last time what we received in KHOOR as a ciphertext, we do as we take 3. Okay, we'll have a key 3 and we have a value of the decrypted text, that is our plain text is this one. Okay, so what we do, we have a ciphertext and the decrypted text. The decrypted text જે છે આપણે hello મળી ગઈ. So we have converted hello to khur, so that is hello plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to a plain text. So these both are the program of Caesar cipher and Caesar cipher encryption and Caesar cipher decryption. Okay, so you may go on actually. Okay, so I'll give you 10 minutes to go through this program and then you have to perform over your system. So this is your link. Online તમે compiler C compiler learn કરવું હોય તો programs execute કરવા હોય તો તમે કરી શકાય છે. Okay, okay, any doubt? Okay, you may start. Okay, whoever you finish, okay, they can write into a chat box. Okay. So those who finish the program, they can write it into a chat box. Okay.
I guess we're still facing issues. He sent me a WhatsApp message. I will just call the next guy.
Okay, done.